Well, hello there everyone, and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Christy, and I'm so glad that you stopped by today because I'm making waffles. I'm making the waffle batter from scratch, and I'm going to cook them in my cast iron waffle maker. Yeah. Now it has been quite a while since I have used this waffle maker. But if you don't have a cast iron waffle maker, you can use any waffle maker that you have. I'm excited to share this recipe with you. I've got my ingredients here on my counter. I'll just go over those with you as I make them, but you know what time it is. It's time to get cooking. So to a large bowl, I'm going to add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and like a half of a teaspoon of salt. All right, I'm just going to give this a mix. All right, so I'm going to set my flour to the side, and next I'm going to work on my eggs. And I have 2 eggs here, and I'm going to add them to a bowl. And then I'm going to begin to whisk them until they have a pale yellow color and they're light and fluffy. All right, so these are looking good. I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. All right, then I'm going to add the eggs to the flour mixture. And then I have 1.5 cups of milk, and I'm using a 2%. And a half of a cup of melted butter. So don't be afraid of the lumps. It's perfectly fine in waffle batter or pancake batter, but you will want to let your batter sit for 5 minutes before you cook them. In the meantime, I'm going to start heating up my cast iron waffle maker on the stove. All right, so I'm going to turn the fire down to a medium-low heat. And then I'm just going to place my waffle maker right on top. Now, you can actually do this on an outside grill, over a fire if there's a grill over the fire. And I'm going to heat up both sides of the waffle maker, just a couple minutes on each side. And did I mention that it's been a while since I have made the waffles in the cast iron? And you know that the first batch never comes out right. So this is my practice batch. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to spray each waffle iron with some oil, and I'm going to start with 1/4 of a cup of the batter. I really can't remember if I used 1/4 of a cup or 1/3 of a cup, but we'll try this first and see how it goes. There is a little latch here, and I go for about 30 to 45 seconds per side. Again, this is the practice. All right, guys, it's the moment of truth. Let's see what we got. Well, now typically they fall right out of here. I gotta give it a little help. All right. All right, I'm gonna try 1/2 of a cup this time. I guess I'll know here in a minute if it starts to seep out the sides. All right, let's flip it over. Let's see how they turn out. Oh, look at that, guys. Ta-da! Ta-da! I am thinking that maybe I need to do, like, say, a minute per side, just to give them a little bit of a darker color. All right, so this is a minute per side. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Now I'm rocking and rolling. And check out these stack of waffles. Oh my goodness. And I just love using the cast iron waffle maker because it gives the waffles a delicious crispy edge to them. Oh yeah, these waffles, they're amazing. Well, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. God bless, and as always, I'll see you soon with more delicious recipes.